This course will run the way you watch the news, scroll through the social media, or even view political campaigns forever. Once you see the invisible strings of political communication, you can't unsee them. Welcome to MCM 301, Mass Communication and Politics. Before you sit down for Lecture 1, let's strip away the academic jargon. Let's talk about what this course actually is, why it matters, and how it will change the way you view the world. The big idea: power meets persuasion. At its core, this course is built on a simple and undeniable truth. Power is useless if you cannot communicate it, and communication is powerless if you cannot use it to influence. Very important, profound, all right? You can relate to that. In the ancient times, a politician just needed a loud voice and a public square. Today, the public square is a chaotic 24/7 ecosystem made of news network, corporate conglomerates, voices from everywhere, viral TikTok algorithms, and AI-generated memes, and of course, multi-million-dollar PR machines. MCN 301 is your backstage pass to this ecosystem. We aren't here to debate whether specific politicians are good or bad. Instead, we are here to analyze the machinery they use to get into power, stay in power, and also to shape what you believe is true. Remember the framing theory. We're going to talk about that as we progress on this course. The 4 ultimate questions we'll answer over the next semester. Everything we need to study constantly is cycled back to 4 fundamental riddles. Who owns the microphones? How the media ownership and government control dictate what information the public actually gets to see. And the second question is, how is this narrative being packaged? The tactics of political journalism, PR spin, and advertising. The third is, who is paying the microphone? The commercial pressures that turn serious political debate into entertaining spectacles. Are you looking forward to this? And of course, the fourth one: are you citizen? Are we citizen, or we're just customers? How modern promotional culture treats voters exactly like consumers buying a brand of soda or brand of Coca-Cola. Think about that. The mindset shift you need to succeed is what? Do well in this course. You need to trade in your identity as a passive media consumer and become a media analyst. Wear the analytical Google. When you look at political events, a news broadcast, or a campaign ad, you must train your mind to stop asking questions like, do I agree with this? Start asking questions. Why am I saying this specific story right now? And how am I even saying it? Who benefits from me feeling angry, hopeful, or afraid because of this? And of course, what is being left out of the frame? What is missing out of this message, out of this story? This is a 2-unit course, which means it is going to be lean, it's going to be fast-paced and punchy. If you show up with a healthy dose of curiosity and critical eye, it will easily be one of the most eye-opening classes of your academic journey, in fact, of your lifetime. Are you approaching this course as a student trying to ace an upcoming exam, or as an instructor preparing to teach this material to a class? If you are a student, you're welcome. And if you are a course lecturer, you are equally welcome. Let this journey begin.